My heroine today is, well, there's two heroines, so it's Nana Betty and Nana Kay. Kay had a child out of wedlock in the 1950s and she was sent to a mother and baby home. Her sister, who was Betty, adopted the child back into the family, and that baby is my mother.
I picked Mother Jones, who was a union organiser from her early 30s up until she was 100 years of age. I'm an activist myself around adoption rights in Ireland, and I look at her and look at what she was able to achieve just against all the odds.
I picked Christine Buckley because she broke silences around abuse in the religious run institutions in Ireland. She was a very strong woman and she encouraged other people to share their experiences and change this country through that.
So my Herstory heroine is Dr. Kathleen Lynn, who was a woman who was involved in the Easter Rising in 1916. But what's much more interesting about her is the fact that she founded one of the first infants hospitals in the city.
The person that I have selected is Angela Davis. She was a member of the Black Panthers. She understood that people had fire in their belly, but she also understood that those bellies had to be filled. So she was a social activist as well as being a political activist.
My heroine is Dr. Fatima Hamrouche. That's my mom. She broke down so many social constructs and barriers, and she did everything in her power to make sure that we just did our thing. Me and my siblings just grew up and did our thing.
I put down female comedians like Catherine Ryan and Sarah Millican, because in comedy it's traditionally been a fairly male-dominated sector, and these women are coming up and paving the way for other young new female comedians come through, and I'm really grateful for them.
I've picked my sister ENYI-AMADI because she is one of the most goal-orientated, inspirational and ambitious people that I've ever met and that has ever existed.